Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our Shopify series. It, it is contains on 5 videos about Shopify. The first video is starting a Shopify store, a step-by-step guide for new entrepreneurs. In this series, we will cover everything about Shopify advantages, Shopify plugins, Shopify themes, and its gateways and everything. So let's start. Introduction: starting your online business. If you want to start your online business, we have many platforms for uh, business. They provide us a ready-made store where you can put your products and start selling. For example, Amazon, Shopify are the best and major platforms. Basic Shopify setup, taxes, and who pays them. When it comes to taxes, there are two types of taxes that need to be considered: income tax and sales tax. Income tax is what the government takes from your payments for your income, and sales tax is what you pay on goods or services you buy from a business. Shopify charges a monthly fee for their services, which means that they will be the ones paying the sales tax on any goods or services sold through their store. Income tax and sales tax goes to government, and Shopify charges a fee, monthly fee on uh, on a store. Like we have a store on rent from Shopify. Setting up payments and shipping options. Shopify provides us payment methods and also shipping options. We can put payment methods like PayPal, bank transfer, or Payoneer, and a lots of other payment options. We can put them in Shopify payment setting. And if you want to uh, ship from Shopify, you can set up it. Shopify will ship all products, all deliveries by their agents. Next step is choosing a theme for your website. It's very important to choose a theme for WooCommerce website where you can display uh, your products with eye-catching UI. Creating pages, blog posts with the blog theme. The blog theme is a WordPress theme that was designed specially for blogs and websites that want to promote their products or services. The blog theme is perfect for anyone who wants to create pages, blog posts, reviews, and want to show products on his website. So these was uh, some steps, basic steps about Shopify store. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In next video, we will cover our next about Shopify.